and Quentin are opening up the first eggs. And there's also a really cool prize toy behind the Who's Left box. So I can't wait to see what that is. Ooh, Logan found Skye. Hi, Skye. And do you know what Skye likes to drive? Does she like to drive a car or does she like to drive a plane?
Plane.
Can you drive a plane or do you fly a plane? Fly. Oh, Skye, you look so nice. All right, Quentin, what do you have? Ooh, you have Chase. Chase is the police dog. And he's blue, and he drives a police car. Very cool. I like all their little badges and their little paw prints on their hat. Ooh, next, Logan found Rocky. He's green. Very cool. I like you, Rocky. That is so cool. Thanks, Quentin. You found Marshall. And Marshall's the fire dog. And he's a Dalmatian. And he's red. Hi, Marshall. You actually really do see Dalmatians on fire trucks. Very cool. And these are part of Quentin's birthday present because Quentin had a birthday recently. Hooray! Ooh, and next we have the orange Paw Patrol pup. And I can't think of his name right now. So if you know his name, tell me right now. What we're going to do next is we're going to look at the really cool My Busy Books Paw Patrol pups. And I know his name is in there, so I'll tell you then. But he is really cool. So after we look at the My Busy Book Paw Patrol pups, then we'll open this cool prize behind the Who's Left box. So let's get started with the My Busy Books, and then we'll find out your name. Ooh, first up we have the police pup. And do you know his name? That's right, it's Chase. Chase the police pup. And he is blue. So later on,
I'm on it.
and next we have, ooh, it's Ryder. I guess Ryder lets all the Paw Patrol know where there's trouble and where help is needed. Hello, Ryder. I like your
Pups,
hair.
we have an important mission. Farmer Yumi needs our help. A snowstorm is coming. She has to pick all her fruits and vegetables by tonight.
Ooh, next we have Rubble. And Rubble is a yellow construction pup. And I think he likes to say, Rubble on the double. And he's yellow.
Here comes Rubble on the double. Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Next we have Skye. And she is a pink pilot. And I like her too. Look at that. Any dog that can fly has to be very special.
In the pup tags to call Skye in to help.
Rocky! And Rocky is the recycling pup. Rocky is green, and he's the recycling pup. And then next,
Hey, there's Skye and Zuma on the pup pad. And the third blip must be the mer pup.
we have Marshall. Marshall is the fire dog, and he is red. Red Marshall, and he's a dog.
Wait, where's Marshall? Wait for me. Rebel, how do I get down?
Next we have, he's orange, and he is the water rescue dog. Do you know his name? It's Zuma. Did you get it? Zuma, that's right, he's the water rescue pup.
Zuma's back so he can help us. I'm on it, Valky. Thanks, Zuma. I love treats.
Here are all of our Paw Patrol pups. And here's Ryder. And here are all their vehicles. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, that's not one of their vehicles. one of the pups was missing a vehicle, so we added one of our very own. And now Logan is going to match each pup to their vehicle. Can you do the same at home? We have the blue police truck, the green recycler, the orange water vehicle, the yellow construction vehicle, the red fire truck, and this plane is blue, but just pretend it's pink. Pink plane. So now we're going to match up each pup to all you Paw Patrol fans should already know which vehicle these guys go with. So Logan has never seen Paw Patrol before, but he's going to take a guess as to which of these vehicles go with each pup. See if you can do it before Logan. We're going to start with Marshall, the red fire dog. Which vehicle do you think that he goes with, Logan?
Look.
The red fire truck. Very good. Next we have Skye, the pink pilot. Which vehicle do you think Skye goes in?
There.
That's right, the plane. Now we're going to pretend this plane is pink. Good job, Skye. Next we have Rocky, the green recycling dog. Which vehicle should Rocky go with?
Here.
The green recycling truck. You are amazing. Good job. Next we have Zuma, the orange water rescue dog. Which vehicle should Zuma go with? Good job, the orange water rescue vehicle. Next we have Chase, the police pup. Blue. Which vehicle should he go with? Ooh, the blue police car. Last we have yellow Rubble, the construction dog. I wonder what vehicle he'll belong to. Good job, Logan, and you've never even seen Paw Patrol. But we're going to have to start watching it because this show looks amazing. So you found all of their matches based on their color. Did you get them all? Alright, we're all done with the My Busy books. Logan and Quentin, you did such a good job, and now it's time to reveal the big Paw Patrol present. And it's called the On the Roll Marshall. Ooh la la. So, you push this in. And it goes rolling down, so we'll definitely take it out and take a look at it. And it comes with Marshall. How cool is that? And you can put any other Paw Patrol pups back here too. So, let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. Sound like a good idea? No? Yes? So this is really cool. First, it's a doghouse for Marshall. And then you put Marshall on there. Hello, Marshall. And you Marshall, get up on your doghouse. So Marshall is on his doghouse, and then you push down right there in the middle. Go ahead, Logan, push down on it, see what happens. Push down on Marshall. The fire truck, and it goes rolling along. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So if you press down on it again, that is really cool. So let's get all the rest of the Paw Patrol pups on there and we'll show you the grand finale. Quentin, happy birthday, buddy. That's so nice of you to share your presents with us. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you soon. Say bye.
go, go, go.